one. The next one is elicit. You can just type elicit. You might have to register on this. I might have already registered, so you can sign up using your Google account. Okay, you may sign up using your Google account. This is a nice tool. Mm, you can write your research question. So I had asked you to prepare a research question, isn't it? So let me punch in my research question. So I have pasted one question. It is evaluating how what is the strength of my question. So I it's a good research question that it is saying consider adding these elements. So what are the suggestions? Specificity. So my question is, which are the different forces that drive coastal erosion? So if I want to make it specific, what are the relative contributions of wave energy, sea level rise, and sediment dynamics to coastal erosion rates in temperate marine environment? If I want to make it for geographic scope, how do natural and anthropogenic forces differ in driving coastal erosion across various geomorphological settings like rocky coastlines, sandy beaches, delta regions? And if I want to make it a quantitative assessment, to what extent can climate change induced factors be quantified as drivers of coastal erosion in vulnerable coastal regions? So if I want to remain with the question that I have asked, I can do that. But if you want to go ahead and make it more specific using these suggestions as well, you can do it. So I feel I should go for quantitative, yes, the quantitative measurement. This question I really like. So what I will do, I will go ahead and open this side by side. Go ahead and open a spreadsheet. Okay, a Google spreadsheet. Open a Google spreadsheet, a blank one. If you want, you can as well give the same question to it, right? That is coastal erosion. So let me call it coastal erosion drivers. Yes, the session is getting recorded, but it won't be sent to you all. Okay, immediately it won't be sent to you all. It will take longer, maybe a week or two. Okay, so this is the name that I'm giving to it. Let's pay attention to what we are doing for now, and then let's address what your worries are. Okay, so come back to elicit. So this is where you have received a summary of top 4 resources. You can read this. There are these 4 references that have been identified to be the most relevant one, and based on that you have received these references. So here what you see is that you see the paper. Okay, what is that, the DOI, that is a link to this particular article, is also there, and the abstract summary is given. If you want, you can add any of these columns in this free version. You can add 2 columns. So let's say I also want to know what are the main findings of these articles, and I would also want to know what were their methodology. Okay, so this is important to me. Let's say you might also be interested in limitation. So what I will do, I will put this across. If you want, you can also load more. Okay, you can also load more, but I will leave it up to you. So what I will do, I will just copy these 4 columns, no, of all the articles that have been suggested to me. Okay, I will copy this and I will paste them over here. Okay, I will paste them over here. So now what I can do, I will know, I am in a position to understand, like just compare these papers as to how really they are important, right? So let me just slightly increase the width of these. Okay, so what you can do, you can compare these papers, so you can also ask for loading more papers. Okay, that can also happen. So you have all the abstracts, the abstracts you have, the findings you have, and the methodology that they have followed. A summary of all these is available. Now you can compare what these research articles speaks about, and based on this comparison you can then decide which is the most relevant one for you, right? So this is one elicit. Besides that, the other is research rabbit.